Lesson 3, Legacy of Thought. Confucius is known as a Kung Fu Zu, or Master Kung. He was born in 551 BC in the state of Lu Province. Because his family was of some nobility or high-ranking social class, Confucius was able to be educated as a scholar. He gradually gathered around him a group of followers and fellow scholars. Many scholars like Confucius traveled during that time. With his disciples, Confucius set off one day in search of a ruler who would welcome him in as an advisor. He was a teacher of morals in deciding what was right or wrong. He valued order, harmony, and ways of making the world right. Confucius lived in the later years in the Zhou dynasty, a time of much conflict. Traditional society had broken down. Confucius found signs of chaos on his travels. Many people were greedy, cruel, and insensitive towards the needs of others, and so this is what he was wanting to teach them, is to live in harmony. The Analects is a collection of sayings by Confucius that were written down by his students. It is the main printed work of Confucius. In it, he gives advice to people who want to do the right thing. Confucius tried to give examples that were relevant to the daily lives of people. Respect was one of the main principles that he taught. Confucius teaches the middle way, which means that people should make balanced decisions. For example, a person should think twice before fighting. The middle way between being a coward and being a reckless person is bravery. Confucius teaches that each person should accept his or her role in society. So a ruler, a subject, a teacher, a student, a noble, or a peasant. Confucius taught that the central value of parents is to love their children. He also taught that children must obey and respect and honor their parents and teachers. Here is a statue of Confucius and then a painting of him as well. Taoism is the belief of finding the way, or the Tao of the universe. Taoism had almost as much influence on Chinese culture as did Confucianism. However, it did not focus on order like Confucianism did. People should live in harmony with nature, not apart from it. Confucianism, Taoism, and the 100 schools of thought influenced Chinese history, culture. So here we have a picture of the 100 schools of thought. We also have the yin and yang symbol to show that all forces have a complementary force, so good and evil, sun and moon, heaven and earth. That is the end of Lesson 3, Legacy of Thought, in Chapter 4.